Hi there, I'm Rifal, the unit leader for Jurong West Secondary National Police Cadet Corps or NPCC.
And I am Eden, the Deputy Unit Leader. NPCC is a uniform group which works closely with the Singapore Police Force.
The mission of NPCC is to develop our cadets to be active citizens and community leaders by working with the Singapore Police Force to fight crimes and keeping Singapore safe.
Let me allow Afiq to share with you more about our activities during training.
Hi there, I am Afiq. Firstly, we have Chemcraft.
Chemcraft is a basic survival skill which requires us to be creative, agile and encourages teamwork to build a structurally strong tentage. In Chemcraft competitions, it tests our ability of speed, precision and skills to build a perfect tent within minutes.
Moving on, have you shot a weapon before? No?
In NPCC, we have our .22 revolver shooting experience. You will get to shoot a real revolver with live bullets. Cadets learn how to handle a revolver, aim and shoot at targets to obtain our marksmanship badge.
Next, we have drills.
Drills is an important component in almost all uniform groups. It teaches us to display discipline, teamwork and having a sense of pride and honor when marching in unison, especially during parades. In NPCC, we learn static, marching and also rifle drills.
Last but not least, we also learn about crime scene investigation, also known as CSI.
We get to exercise critical thinking skills and experience police investigation techniques such as fingerprint dusting, viewing a mock-up crime scene, and finding evidence and clues to investigate them.
I hope you have a clear understanding of our exciting CCA.
Hope you will join us.
Thank you!
Students, I'm Mr. Huzaini, the teacher officer in charge of Jurong West NPCC. Now, as you have watched the video just now about the activities that we engaged in, besides that, we actually do collaborations with the community and with the Singapore Police Force through working with the Nanyang Police Centre officers. We actually engage the community with crime prevention messages through our PYA projects. Besides that, we also have outdoor activities such as Adventure Training Camp and Survival Training Camp ASTC at Pulau Ubin. Now, I am very proud to say that we are a very strong JWSS NPCC unit, and I'm proud to present to you that we are actually a Unit Overall Proficiency Award Gold Award for 4 consecutive years, 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. Now, if you have the passion to work with the community and would like to work closely with the Singapore Police Force, do consider joining NPCC.